Hi students, today we are going to discuss the topic permutation. What is the permutation? The permutation is the arrangement. The number of arrangement that can be made out of n things taken or a time is called a permutation. The permutation is the number of arrangement that can be made out of n things taken or a time is called a permutation of n things taken at or a time, that is denoted by NPR. Out of n things taken at or a time is NPR, that is P means a permutation. NPR equal to, that is denoted by NPR, permutation. Now writing n factorial by n minus r factorial. NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Already you know the factorial. Factorial is n factorial is the sum of the product of n natural numbers. N minus r is n minus r times of the sum of, the product of n minus r factorial. That is a NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. That is a permutation. The next one result, NPN equal to NPN equal to n factorial. NPN equal to n factorial. That is one of the result. Why NPN equal to n factorial. Now discuss example problem. Example 4.25. Evaluate first one 4P4, the second one 5P3, and third one 8P4, and fourth one 6P5. And first one find 4P4. Write in the first one solution 4P4. NPR. Here n value 4 and r value is 4. Write in, already you know the formula, n factorial by n minus r factorial. NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. N minus r factorial equal to NPR. Here n values is 4. 4 factorial by n minus r factorial. N minus r is 4 minus 4 factorial. Is a 4 factorial by 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 factorial. 0 factorial value is 1. 0 factorial value is 1. 4 by 4 factorial by 1 is 4 factorial. Now write in 4 factorial is the product of first 4 natural numbers. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 4 factorial is, write in 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 4 24. That is NP4 equal to 24 answer. Or using the result is NPN equal to n factorial. Using the result NPN equal to n factorial. 4P4 equal to 4 factorial. 4P4 equal to 4 factorial. 4 factorial. Expansion of 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. And the answer is 24. First one is over. And the second one 5P3. 5P3. Here n values is 5. 5 factorial by n minus r factorial. N minus r. N value 5, r value 3. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial. 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial. Now write in 5 factorial is sum of, the product of 5 natural numbers. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 by 2 factorial is 1 into 2. These are 2 are cancelled, 1 cancelled. Remaining 3 into 4 into 5. 3 4s are 12. 12 into 5, 60. 5P3 equal to 60. 5P3 is a permutation. 5P3 equal to 60. Now write in 5P3 is 5 factorial by 2 factorial. Now write in the simplest way, 5P3 equal to 5 is the number of n value, number of things. R is taken at all time. 5p3 is now reduced in 3. 5 is reduced in 3 times. 5 into 4 into 3. 5 into 4 into 3. Now expand the value. 5 into 4, 20. 20 into 3 is 60. 5p3 is 16. For example, 5p2. 5p2 is, the 5 is reduced 2 times. Reduced to 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. The value is 20. Write in 5p2 equal to 5 into 4 reduced to 2 times 5 into 4, 20. Or using the formula 5 factorial by 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial. 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial. First write in 5 factorial is 3 factorial into 4 into 5. 3 factorial into 4 into 5 by 3 factorial. 3 factorial cancel. Remaining 4 into 5 are 20. 4 5s are 20. That is the simplest way to reduce the form. Third problem. Third one. 8p4. 8p4 is reduced in 4 times. Reduced 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 8, 7, 56. 56 into 30. 56 into 30. 56 into 3. 5, 6. Sorry, 6 3s are 18. Remaining 1. 5 3s are 15. 6, 1860. 1680. 1680. That is the 8p4 value. Using the formula 8 factorial by 8 minus 4 factorial. 8 factorial by 8 minus 4 factorial is 8 factorial by 4 factorial. Using the formula. Fourth one, 6p5. 6p5 is now writing reduce 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is equal 6 5s are 30. 30 into 4. 120, 120 into 6, 120 into 6, 720. The answer is 6p5 value is 720. Next example, 4.26. If n plus 2 p4 equal to 42 into np2, find n. Find the value of n. Write in n plus 2 p4 equal. Both are equal. Find the value of n. Write in NPR using the formula. NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. N plus 2 is n plus 2 factorial by n plus 2 minus 4 factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial equal 42 into n factorial by n minus 2 factorial. N minus 2 factorial. Next one, n plus 2 factorial by n plus 2 minus 4. N plus 2 minus 4 is n minus 2. N minus 2 factorial equal to 42 into n factorial by n minus 2 factorial. Now n minus 2 factorial are cancel. Remaining n plus 2 factorial equal to 42 into n factorial. N factorial this side, divide the value. N factorial equal 42. Equal to 42. N plus 2 factorial by n factorial. Now n plus 2 factorial. Now reduce. N plus 2 factorial is n plus 2 into n plus 1. Now reduced minus 1. Reduced by minus 1. N plus 2 minus 1 is n plus 1. Next one, reduced minus 1 is n. N plus 1 minus 1 is n. That is writing a n factorial by n factorial equal to 42. Equal to 42. Now cancel the value n factorial are cancelled. N factorial are cancelled. So remaining n plus 2 into n plus 1. N plus 2 into n plus 1 equal to 42. N plus 2 into n plus 1 equal to 42. Now find the value of n. Find the value of n. Now split the value. 42 is 42. 6 into 7 are 42. That is n into n plus 1. Sorry, n plus 2 into n plus 1 equal to 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42. It is a two value. N plus 2, n plus 1, two value. 42 is split the two terms. 7 into 6, 7 6 are 42. Now equating 1 and r. Equating n plus 2 into n plus 2 equal to 7 or n plus 1 equal to 6. Equating the value, one of the value, n plus 2 equal to 7, n equal to 7 minus 2, n equal to 5. N value 5. Equating n plus 1 equal to 6 is n plus 1 equal to 6, n equal to 6 minus 1 equal to 5. N values is 5. Therefore the value of n equal to 5. The value of n equal to 5. Next example, 4.27. If 10pr equal to 7pr plus 2, find r. Given 10pr equal to 7pr plus 2, both are equal, find the value of r. Given 10pr equal to 7pr plus 2, write in npr using the formula. Npr is n factorial by n minus r factorial. Write in 10 factorial by 10 minus r factorial equal 7 factorial by 7 minus r minus 2 factorial. npr equal to n factorial by n minus r. 7 minus r minus 2 factorial. 10 factorial by 10 minus r factorial equal to 7 factorial by 7 minus r minus 2 is 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus r factorial. 5 minus r factorial. Next one, 10 factorial. 10 factorial by 7 factorial. This side divide the value. 7 factorial equal to 10 minus r factorial. That side multiply 10 minus r factorial by 5 minus r factorial. 5 minus r factorial. 10 factorial. 10 factorial. How to expand the 10 factorial is 7 factorial into 8 into 9 into 10. Our product of first 10 natural numbers. 1 into 2 into 3, 4 and so on etc. 10. Now write in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 7 factorial. Now write in 7 factorial into 8 into 9 into 10 by 7 factorial equal 10 minus r factorial. 10 minus r factorial divided by 5 minus r factorial. By 5 minus r factorial. Now the numerator is subtract minus 1. Now reduce the numerator, subtract minus 1. 10 minus r factorial. Now writing 10 minus r factorial is 10 minus r minus 1 is, already you know the formula, n factorial is n into n minus 1, n minus 2 and so on etc. That is the n factorial value. 10 minus r factorial is 10 minus r into 10 minus r minus 1 is 9. 9 minus r. Next one, reduce to minus 1. 8 minus r. Next one, 7 minus r into 6 minus r into 5 minus r factorial. Now it is in n factorial. N factorial equal to, now reduce the minus 1, n into n minus 1, n minus 2 up to etc. This is n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial. N minus 3, n minus 3 factorial, n minus 4, n minus 4 factorial and so on etc. That is the n factorial. Now 10 minus r factorial is 10 minus r into reduced minus 1, 9 minus r, 8 minus r 7 minus r, 6 minus r, and 5 minus r. This is n of 5 minus r factorial. This denominator is 5 minus r factorial. So 5 minus r factorial is n of by denominator is 5 minus r factorial. 5 minus r factorial. 5 minus r factorial, 5 minus r factorial cancel. The remaining 10 minus r, 9 minus r, 8 minus r, 7 minus r, and 6 minus r. Now find the value of r. Here 7 factorial are cancelled. 7 factorial and 7 factorial are cancelled. Now write in 8 into 9 into 10. 8 into 9 into 10. Now multiply the value. 8 into 9 into 8 into 9 is 72. 72 into 10 is 720. 720 equal to 10 minus r, 9 minus r, 8 minus r, 7 minus r, and 6 minus r. Now find the value of r. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. This is 5 terms. Now split the 720 is split the 5 terms, equating the 1 and each one terms, and find the value of r. So this is 720. 720 equal to 10 minus r, 9 minus r, into 8 minus r, into 7 minus r, into 6 minus r. Now reduce the 720 in 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. 10 minus r, 9 minus r, 8 minus r, into 7 minus r, into 6 minus r equal to 720. Now reduce the 720. 720. 2 table. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 360. Next again 2 table. 1 2s are 2. 8 2s are 16. 80. And next one 2 table. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. 19. 2 table. 45. 4 2s are 8. Remaining one 5 2s are 10. And 3 table. 15 into 3 45. 15 into 3 45. And 5th table. 3 table. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. And 5th table 1. Now reduce the 1 2 3 5 terms. Reduce the 720. Reduce in 5 terms. 5 2 3s are 6. Next one 2 2s are 4, and next one 3 into 2. Now split the value 5 terms. 6 into 3 2s are 6 into 5 into 2 2s are 4, 4 into 3 into 2. First one 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Next one 5, next one 5, next one 2 2s are 4, next one 3 into 2, 3 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5 times equating 1. 10 minus r equal to 6. 9 minus r equal to 5. Equating any one of the term. 10 minus r equal to 6. 10 minus r equal to 6. Now find the value of r. That is the 10 minus r equal to 6. R that side plus r. 10 minus r equal to 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 equal to 4. That is the r value is 4. R value equal to therefore the value of r equal to 4. The value of r equal to 4. Exercise 4.2. The first problem. If n minus 1 p3 is to n p4 equal to 1 is to 10, find the value of n. N minus 1 p3 ratio n p4 equal to 1 is to 10. Find the value of n. Now write your ratio is divide n minus 1 p3 by n p4 equal 1 by 10. Ratio 1 by 10. N minus 1 p3 n by using NPR formula. Now writing n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 n minus not factorial, n minus 1 minus 3 factorial is divided by np4 is n factorial by n minus 4 factorial equal 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Now write it n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus 3 is n minus 4 factorial. N minus 4 factorial into, now write in reciprocal. Divide by divide is, now write in reciprocal. N minus 4 factorial by n minus 4 factorial by n factorial equal to 1 by 10. Now cancel the value n minus 4 factorial, n minus 4 factorial are cancelled. N minus 4, n minus 4 cancel. Remaining n minus 1 factorial by n factorial. n minus 1 factorial by n factorial equal to 1 by 10. Equal to 1 by 10. This is n minus 1 factorial by n factorial. Now reduce the n factorial is n into n minus 1 factorial. N into n minus 1 factorial equal to 1 by 10. Now n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial gets cancel. Now cross multiply 1 into n, sorry, n equal to 10. So the value of n equal to 10. Next one, second problem. If 10pr minus 1 equal to 2 into 6pr, find the value of r. These both are equal. 10pr minus 1, write in 10 factorial by 10 minus r plus 1 minus r minus plus 10 minus r minus r minus plus 1 factorial equal 2 into 6 factorial by 6 minus r factorial. 6 minus r factorial is a 10 factorial by 10 minus r plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus r factorial equal to 2 into 6 factorial by 6 minus r factorial. 6 minus r factorial. 10 factorial, 6 factorial this side, divide. 10 factorial by 6 factorial equal to 11 minus r factorial, that side 11 minus r factorial by 6 minus r factorial. 10 factorial already is 6 factorial into 6 factorial to 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 by 6 factorial equal to 11 minus r factorial. Now reduce 11 minus r factorial, numerator is reduced by 1. 11 minus r into 10 minus r into 9 minus r into 8 minus r into 7 minus r into 6 minus r factorial. 6 minus r factorial now is divided by denominator 6 minus r factorial. 6 minus r factorial. Now cancel 6 minus r factorial, 6 minus r factorial cancel. The next one 6 factorial into 6 factorial are cancel. Next one 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 equal 11 minus r into 10 minus r into 9 minus r into 8 minus r into 7 minus r. Now find the value of r. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. What is there? The right hand side values is 5 times. Left hand side 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Now split the 5 times. Split the 5 times. How to split the 5 times? How to split the 5 times? 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. Now multiply the values and split the 5 terms. This is 11 minus r, 10 minus r into 9 minus r, 8 minus r, 7 minus r equal to. Now split the value. 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 is, split the 5 terms. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equating any one of the result, 11 minus r equal to 7 or 10 minus r equal to 6, or equating any one. 11 minus r equal to 7. 11 minus r equal to 7. That is equal minus r that side plus r equal to 11 minus 7. R value is 11 minus 7 is 4. So the value of r equal to 4. And next one, two formulas. The first one, the sum of all r-digit numbers that can be formed using the given non-zero digits is the sum of all r-digit numbers. The sum of all r-digit numbers that can be formed using the given n non-zero digits. N non-zero digits is using the formula n minus 1 pr minus 1 into sum of the digits into 1 into 1 into 1 and so on etc. r times. 1, 1, 1 and so on etc. 1 in r times. That is using the formula. The sum of the r digits of the number that can be formed using the non-zero digits is n minus 1 pr minus 1 into sum of the digits into 1, 1, 1 and so on etc. r times. For example, the sum of 4-digit number or sum of 5-digit number, anyone. For example, sum of 4-digit number that can be formed using the given non-zero digits excluding 0. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 were the digits. Now find the sum of 4-digit numbers. Using the formula n minus 1 pr minus 1. N minus 1 is the number of digits. For example, 5 digits are given. N minus 1 is 5 minus 1 is 4. Pr minus 1 means sum of 4-digit numbers. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4p3 into sum of the digits. For example, give the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sum of the digits 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Sum of the digits into 1, 1, 1 and so on etc. 1 r times. Here r means number of digits. The sum of r digits. Sum of 4-digit number means 4, 1, 1, 1, 4 times of 1, 1, 1, 4 times of 1s. That is the first one formula. The sum of r-digit numbers that can be formed using given non-zero numbers n minus 1 pr minus 1 into sum of the digits into 1, 1, 1 r times. Next one formula, sum of the r-digits numbers that can be formed using the given n digits including 0. Including 0 is n minus 1 pr minus 1 into sum of the digits into 1, 1, 1 r times minus n minus 2 into pr minus 2 into sum of the digits into 1, 1, 1 is r minus 1 times. R minus 1 times. For example, sum of the 4-digit number that can be formed using given the digits, number of digits. For example, 5 digits is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one problem is given digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 excluding 0, non-zero. N is a non-zero digits. This formula is including 0. Including 0, given the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Given 5-digit numbers, including 0. Given first one, n minus 1 means number of digits is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 into pr minus 1. R means the sum of 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers means 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Or 5-digit numbers. Anyone? 5 minus 1 is 4. Number of digits is sum of the digits 4 or 3. Anyone? N minus 1 pr minus 1 into sum of the digits. Sum of the digits, given the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Sum of the digits into 1, 1 is r times. R means number of digits 4 digits. Sum of the 4-digit numbers is 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 times of 1. Minus n minus 2 into pr minus 2. N minus 2 into pr minus 2 into sum of the digits. Sum of the digits into 1, 1, 1 r minus 1 times. Here r is a 4-digit number. For example, 4-digit number is 4 minus 1 is 3 times of 1. 1, 1, 1. Write in 3 times. 1, 1, 1. That is a r minus 1 times. That is using the formula. First one is the sum of all digit number excluding 0, and the second one formula sum of the all digit number that can be used in including 0 by using the formulas. Now discuss example problem. Example 4.43. Find the sum of all 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Sum of all 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Already you know the formula. The sum of the all digit number that can be formed using the digits excluding 0 is n minus 1 p r minus 1 into sum of the digits into 1, 1, 1 r times using the formula. Given the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here n value is n equal to 5. Number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of digits are 5. Next one, the sum of all 4-digit numbers. The sum of all r-digit numbers. Here r value equal to r equal to 4. R equal to 4. Find the sum of all 4-digit number that can be formed using the digits of the formula. Writing formula n minus 1 into p r minus 1 into sum of the digits into 1, 1, 1 etc. r times in r times. This is the sum of all 4-digit numbers. That is equal n minus 1. Here n value is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. P r minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4p3 into sum of the digits. Sum of the digits is 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 into writing 1, 1, 1 r times. R means r value is 4. Writing 4 ones. 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 times. 1, 1, 1, 1. Writing 4 times. That is equal 4p3. Now expansion of 4p3 is 4p3. 4 into 3 into 2. Now ready is the 3 values. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus sum of the digits. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 8, 21 into 1, 1, 1, 1. Multiply 4 3s are 12, 12 into 2, 24. 24 into 21 into 1, 1, 1 is a 24 into 21 into 1, 1, 1. Multiply the value 24 into 21, 24 into 21, 124, 24, 24, 48 is a 4, 0, 4, 0, 5. Next multiply by 1, 1, 1. It is a 4 times. 5 not 4, 4, 0, 5 and 4, 0, 5, 4, 0, 5. That is a 4, 4, 9, 9, 5, 5. The sum of the all 4-digit number is 5, 5, 9, 9, 4, 4. That is the answer. The sum of all 4-digit number equal to the sum of all 4-digit number is 5, 5, 9, 9, 4, 4. That is the answer. The next one, exercise 4.2, last problem. Find the sum of all 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 5, 7, 8 without repetition. Sum of all 4-digit number that can be formed using the digits 0, including 0 formula n minus 1 p r minus 1 into sum of the digits into 1, 1, 1 r times minus n minus 2 into p r minus 2 into sum of the digits into 1, 1, 1 is r minus 1 times. Given number of digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. when n equal to 5 digits and r equal to sum of all 4 digit number, r equal to 4. Write in the formula n minus 1 into p r minus 1 into sum of the digits into 1 1 1 and so on etc. r times minus n minus 2 into p r minus 2 into sum of the digits into 1 1 1 and so on etc. r minus 1 times. R minus 1 times. Now substitute the value n minus 1, n value 5. 5 minus 1 is 4p r minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4p3 into that is equal sum of the digits 0 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 8 22 into r times 1 1 1 r times r means 4 4 1 1 1 1 1 minus that is a minus next one n minus 2. Here n minus 2, n value 5, 5 minus 2 is 5 minus 2 3, 5 minus 2 is 3 p r minus 2, r value 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 3p2 into sum of the digits is 22. Sum of the digits 22 into 1 1 1 write in r minus 1 times. R minus 1 means 4 minus 1 3 times. 1 1 1. Now expand the value. 4p3. 4p3 is 4 into 3 into 2. 4 into 3 into 2 into 22 into 1 1 1 1 4 times minus let me bracket minus 3p2 value 3 into 2 3 into 2 or 3 factorial by 3 minus 2 factorial 3 into 2 into 22 into 1 1 1 3 times that is equal 4 3s are 12, 12 into 2 24, 24 into 22, 24 into 22 into 1 1 1 1, 24 into 22, 24 into 2 48, 48, 8, 8 plus 4 12, remaining 1, 528, multiply by 1111, 1 1 1, 528, 1 times 8 to 8, 8 to 5, next one 8 to 5, next one 8 to 5, add the value 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, remaining 1, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, remaining 1, 6 plus 2, 8, 8, 8, 16, remaining 1, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8, next one 5, 8, the answer is 5, 8, 6, 6 0 8 minus 3 2s are 6, 22 into 6, 22 into 6, 6 2s are 12, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12, 13, 132, 132 into 111, 132, 132, 132, 2, 5, 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6, next one 4 1 14652, 14652. Now subtract the value 14652, 14652, 25641. Subtract the value 8 minus 2 6, next one 10 minus 5 5, next one 15 9, 9 plus 6 15, next one 5 5 minus 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, next one 7 5 7 1 9 5 7 1 9 5 6, that is the sum of the all 4-digit number. That is the answer is 571956.